Today's agenda is simple, yet heavy with consequence. We reiterate that we are not here to decide guilt or innocence. Hindi po ito paglilitis. Hindi pa. We are here for one question. Isang tanong lang. May sapat bang batayan para ituloy ang proseso ng impeachment? That is the only question before us today. Are there sufficient grounds to proceed? Sufficient grounds. That is the question. Wala nang iba. Let us be clear. Today is not about judgment. Today is about justification. Hindi tayo huhusga. Titingnan lang natin kung may dahilan para magpatuloy. To recall, this committee began with 4 impeachment complaints. The first was set aside dahil sa posibleng paglabag sa 1-year bar rule. The second was withdrawn, with the complainants opting to support the third complaint, which brings us now to the third and fourth complaints, the Zaballa et al. Complaint and the Cabrera complaint. Both complaints underwent scrutiny. Both were tested. Pinag-usapan ng mabuti, pinagdebatehan ng matindi, sinuri sa bawat anggulo. Every allegation was questioned. Every point was challenged. Every argument was tested. At tandaan po natin, hindi lang ito ilang pahina. These complaints came with voluminous records, pages upon pages, with annexes and supporting documents. Hindi lang binasa, ito ay inaral. And at the end of that long process, both the Zaballa et al. Complaint and the Cabrera complaint were found sufficient in form and substance. At bakit mahalaga iyon? Because the accusations are not trivial. They are serious, they are weighty, they demand answers. Kabilang dito ang mga aligasyon ng banta sa buhay ng presidente at iba pang opisyal, hindi maipaliwanag na yaman, paglabag sa SALN requirements, panunuhol, at maling paggamit ng confidential funds. Kung ganito kabigat ang mga paratang, hindi pwedeng manahimik. Kailangan itong sagutin.